Well, he ate some of the bread. He didn't touch the guava, though. Yeah, he didn't touch the guava. And look, you're still there.
If you wanted to eat more food, come on my side, our side.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now you got me interested, Birdie. Come on.
Come on. Why you never bring the bread with you?
Oh, that's a good idea.
Capture him, wrap him up in his shirt.
What? I'm not... Here, I'll take some of it. I'm gonna do a little breadcrumb. Do a little breadcrumb. Jesus, Mom. I hope the neighbors can't hear you.
Come on, you can do it.
Yeah, look at this little bread trail. That's right, buddy.
Right by the water. Look at water down there. Oh my God, bread. Oh God, what? I'm gonna check him out.
I know. I want to see what he does.
Oh, the water. Come on. Oh my God. He's landed.
That was a good idea.
Oh my God, he's coming. Oh my God. Check him out. Oh.
That's pretty cool.
Who the hell is?
Oh, damn it. I moved my hand too soon.
Only if we have a net, we're gonna catch you already.
I'm not going to try and catch him. Then he'll never come back.
Aww.
You got to build trust, Mom.
Try to trust us.
Look at this. You got all those bread trails coming right back. Ta-da!
Look, guava. Guava jam. We jamming. Come on. We come to the
Oh. Okay, I won't move this time. Oh, moving too quickly.
Yo, we let's see your buddy. The buddy.
Uh-huh.
Come here, buddy.
Look, food.
Come on, buddy.
Food.
Come on, buddy.
Oh.
My God.
Oh, I thought you were flying on me, but nope. You're up there now. Watch, Mom. I want me the bird whisperer. Come on, dude. I only got 7.5 minutes left on this video that I can do.
But you got a close up.
It's already 10 minutes. Yeah, I know.
Oh, 10 minutes of friendship? Come on, Birdie.
I wonder if I could put this whole video on Facebook. It's a long video. Mom.
Come on. I can't see.
I don't know if I want all my friends to hear my mom. Oh, where'd he go?
Aww.
Okay.
Well.
Oh, he's right there.
Don't have fun with that. Let me know if you catch him out.
There's food.
So I'm going to leave one banana in there, so I can leave Grandpa 3. That 812.
Okay.
I like to be 012. I'm going to leave it 2.
Okay.
And you have Q a house.
Yo, dude. Come on.
You off.
Yeah, he doesn't know what to make of me.
Come on, baby.
He had to be some kind of family pet, because a wild lovebird wouldn't do this, right?
No. Either somebody would let him go or he ran away.
One of the two. Huh?
Oh my God.
Oh. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna sit down.
His feathers grew back. Maybe that's why he flew away. His feathers grew back. Back to the drawing board.
Yeah, I'm gonna sit this down. Maybe that's part of the problem. But I can't record with I do not want that to drop. And it's not waterproof. Alright, we'll just point it at the bread. See if he comes there. Okay. Come on, buddy. Any other ideas, Mom?
You're doing it. I'm tired talking to him. I got my beer waiting for me.
Of course.
I got some more food waiting for me. I work tomorrow.
Come on. Here. Have some bread. You don't want any bread?
Obviously, you're lonely, bird. Come and join us.
No.
Come on down. Come on downtown. He says, don't forget it. I don't want to be trapped again. Are you nuts?
No.
He's like, but it's so cold out here. I'm so lonely. I'm so lonely.
Oh, God.
It's pretty chilly.
Oh.
Oh,
There he
he
is.
like come on you.
I don't know.
Yeah?
Bread. There you go, buddy. Come on. Oh. And move it. Stay right there. Right there. Come on. Wow. That's crazy.
Yeah, we had those big nets. He'd have been caught already.
He's Mom. What would you do with him? Just catch him and you want to keep him as a pet?
I mean, kind of hard to resist, huh? I want love, bird. Look at that. He wants love. I want love. Love me.
Or maybe he wants the guava. Nope. He likes the bread. That's cool.
Yummy.
Look at that. Now he's eating in front of me. See, we're building trust.
Yep. That's for sure.
That's pretty cool.
Uh-huh.
I like his colors.
Yeah.
Turquoise, green, yellow, black.
That's the kind of Uncle Nancy got that comes like 100 already.
Nah. I like this bird.
Yeah, I can see why.
Pretty friendly. How'd you, I can't believe you actually went to go look at the bird squawking.
You can tell by the voice. Oh, he hungry.
I hope the camera zoomed or angled so it catches him in that picture.
Oh.
That's pretty cool.
Oh.
You're hungry, huh?
Oh, poor baby, so lonely. We're so lonely. We want love.
That's pretty funny.
I want love. I'm so lonely. I want to eat all by myself. Aww.
Well, I guess this was worth it. You know, a whole piece of bread.
Yeah.
Well, this definitely was unexpected. Huh?
Aww.
What would she name him?
I don't know.
I gotta think of a good name. Compadre. Compadre, that's a good name.
They love affection, yeah.
And it's Compadre. You like that name, dude? Means friend. You knew that, right, Mom?
What language is that?
English?
Come, baby. Come on.
Aw, come on. Don't go away. Where are you going? Okay. Ugh. Oh, you flew around the corner. I don't know if he's scared.
Yeah.
Where'd you go, buddy? Oh, you're sitting on the plant pot. Oh, see? Huh? Pretty cool. See? This is just the camera. That's it. That's pretty cool. Oh. Oh, where'd you go?
Alrighty. See if you got him on the grass.
Oh, where'd you go? I don't
I'm
see him.
tired too. I'm
Yeah.
probably not going to capture him.